Hey guys, it's Ray Davis here with the Affirmation Spot, here with the second in our video series of About Affirmations. So affirmations are a combination of a pronoun, I commonly, or you sometimes, or your name. I find that's also very effective if you're listening to affirmations, and a verb. So the verb I am is the one that's used most often for affirmations, but there are other verbs and formulations that I have found very effective over the years. A couple of the other verbs that I use in affirmations commonly are choose. I choose to do this. Create is another really good one. I create this. I create that. Very powerful. And then I also like to use the formulation, my world is what I make of it, and I choose to make it this. So if you're writing affirmations, either to record them or to read them during the day, these are other formulations besides the common I am that you can use to really empower your affirmations. So we'll be doing another one of these videos in the near future. We'll talk about belief and repetition, the two important factors in success with affirmations. And this is Ray Davis with the Affirmation Spot. I will talk to you again soon. Have a great evening, everyone.